just got up, had breakfast, we're packing the car up now. All the rain is gone, and we are leaving the Dolomites this morning. We're gonna drive down to Croatia to Lone Bay and see if the sun's down there and get some beach time in. Alright, we're at the Slovenia border. We just got our vignette. It's 15 euros. It's like 80 degrees and super sunny out, so just living life. Now we're gonna go through the border, see how that is. Alright, we just went through the Slovenia border check. They just checked our passports, and other than that, it was really smooth. And just stopped for some snacks right on the restaurant on the side, just our snacks that we brought. And now we're gonna keep going through Slovenia and then down to Croatia. And we got about an hour and a half left of driving. Alright, we're at the next border to Croatia. It doesn't look like we need a vignette to get in. It's a little bit of traffic, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we just got out into sunshine weather, which is insane. It's been dumping and dumping. And then Courtney made some sacrifices to her. Just kidding, but yeah, it's crazy. Look at this. No more rain. All clear. Happiness. And we are 9 minutes away from Lone Bay. Alright, so we made it to Lone Beach. I don't know how the heck we keep getting so lucky with all the weather. It was literally like thunderstorms and downpouring the whole car right here, and then like 15 minutes out, just opened up. Sun's out now, and we're gonna head down to the beach and set up the paddleboard and just have a good time. All right, Courtney, you got the beach towels? Beach vibes? Cool. So Courtney's looking for places to stay down here. We got two choices. Both of them look really cool. I picked number 2. What the heck was that? It's a lizard chasing a mouse. What kind of place is Croatia?
So, $127 for just breakfast,
Okay.
$152 for breakfast and dinner, or the other place is $128 for breakfast and dinner.
Yeah, these are pretty hard choices. Let's just do the one that's got breakfast.
They both have breakfast.
The one that's the breakfast, you said one was dinner.
Breakfast and dinner.
Yeah,
So just breakfast.
just breakfast. So we can go out somewhere. If we don't want to eat there, we might miss dinner. We're out here having a good time with the sunset. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so cool. No one's here. Wow, we made it. We're down here at Lone Beach, or Lone Bay, and it looks really nice. Alright, so it's day 3 of our European road trip. We started off in Germany, drove down through Austria, and stopped in Italy at the Dolomites, and have been dodging thunder showers the entire way. I don't know how we've gotten so lucky, but every time we're not doing anything, it's just been super nice out, and then whenever we're like driving or sleeping, it's just been dumping and dumping. So literally 15 minutes before we got here at Lone Bay, like it was just thunderstorms.
Terrible weather.
Like the road was flooded, terrible weather, and then we pull up here and now it's just nice. Amazing blue skies, like that never even happened. Courtney's hunting crabs. Are they big? Jeez. Getting the shoes out so she can move around the rocks easier. Trying to catch crabs and they're all fast and she can't move because the rocks are sharp. It's super bright out, but we just got back from snorkeling. Saw lots of little fishies. The wind's picked up a little bit, but it's not that bad. It feels good. It's like 85 degrees out right now. Like, I can't even explain the change between the Alps down to the Mediterranean coast. We went from like 50 degrees and like rain to like sunshine and 85. Like, that's crazy in such a small area too. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this part of the ocean has a lot of leeches. They're very vicious. That's the only thing you can do is either burn them or put salt on them, but that's the best that you can do and hope for them to detach. So I found this emergency drinking water on the shore. It feels like it's a gel. Just open it up here. Oh, it's got packets inside it. That's 100 milliliters. That's pretty cool. It's got seawater inside it. Or no, this one exploded. That one's exploded. Neat.
Try one. Because you find random objects on the beach. That's what we do.
Yeah, it's just water.
So you didn't die. Good.
Alright. After, what was it, 3 hours of hanging out here on these rocks and snorkeling and playing with crabs and fish, we're leaving. We're gonna go check in the hotel, shower, and head to the pool and get some drinks. Courtney's on her phone. Just checking the gram.
I was not.
Alright, beach day is over. Heading to go get some seafood and watch the sunset. Courtney's all sunburnt, but not really. She's all tan. Nice and tan. Got lots of sun today. And yeah. Oh, off to food. Here's your ice cream. Whoop. Unicorn ice, vanilla and hazelnut, and a happy camper.
It's actually really yummy.
Ice cream is like $4.50 for, what is it, 3 scoops? So, pretty good way to end the night after the sunset, of course. So,